What is the value of w to the power of -2? Don't panic when you see that negative exponent. It just means that whatever is happening in the denominator. So you could rephrase that question to, what is the value of 1 over w squared? Well, if I knew the value of w squared, I'd be able to answer that. But what do I need to know in order to find the value of w squared? Well, since that exponent is even, really, I just need to know how far away from 0 is w. I don't actually care which side of 0 w is, because the question that they're asking is about an even exponent of w. So we're multiplying w times itself an even number of times. That's going to end up positive regardless of which side of 0 w started on. So let's look at the statements right after the intro. Alright, so now that I'm looking at these two statements, am I able to tell how far away from 0 w is? I actually can tell even more than that. With these statements, because they both have an odd exponent, I can tell not only how far from 0 w is, but also which side of 0 w is. And that's actually more than I needed for this question. Remember, for this question, we don't actually need to know which side of 0 w is on. We just need to know how far from 0 w is. And yeah, each of these statements tells me that, and in fact, more than that, it tells me which side of 0 w is on their own. So each statement is sufficient on its own, and the correct answer is D. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.